See beta. Suppose we have a cylinder. We have a cylinder with radius r and height h. What is the volume of this cylinder? Children, what is the formula for volume of the cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square
Pi
h.
r square.
Pi r square h.
Base is circle pi r square into h. Now I am going to take a cone with same radius, जिसका radius बिल्कुल same यही होगा, and height will also be same. इतना ही लंबा है and this much is the radius. But right? Can you see the cone is dividing the cylinder into 3 parts?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What will we do? We will fill the cone with water or sand. Class mein when I do, I fill it with water up till the brim. Up to the brim means till top. And then I make this pore. And then I pour the water from this cone into the cylinder. That is what I do. And I observe till here water gets filled. ठीक है? The first time में यहाँ तक आया. Then I fill the cone again. Transfer the amount in cylinder. So cone gets filled till here. Since there is more space available, so we will fill the cone again with water and transfer the water, pour the water into the cylinder. And we will find that the cylinder gets filled till the top. So what do we observe from here? That how many times we wanted cone, we filled cone to fill the cylinder. How many times?
3 times.
According to you, the volume of cone is greater or the volume of cylinder is greater?
Cylinder.
Volume of cylinder is greater.
What is the relation with their volumes? We found that volume of cylinder. How many times the volume of cone?
3 times.
Three times.
3 complete cone were required to fill the cylinder. So from here, what is the volume of cone?
Volume of cylinder by 3. Volume of cylinder by 3.
Cylinder. And what is volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h.
So that is how we get the formula for volume of cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Those who didn't get time to watch those YouTube links which I shared for the volume of cone, please do it today. It will become clear to you. Clear, children?
Yes.
So that is how we are going to do the volume of cylinder. Now for the volume of sphere, because sphere was another thing here, what we are going to take is, we are going to take a cylinder and sphere of same radius. So suppose this is the cylinder with me. This is the radius r and h is its height. Right? We are going to take a sphere whose radius is same as the radius of the cylinder. And it touches the cylinder from the top and the bottom as well. It touches the cylinder from the top and the bottom as well. So what is the conclusion? That radius is same. And from the figure, what is the height of cylinder equal to? Is it equal to the diameter of sphere?
Diameter.
Diameter is twice of radius. 2 times radius is called diameter. Now, children, here also, can you see that some portion is left? Some space in the corners will be left. Ji beta? So that means
Yes.
clearly that shows whose volume is greater, cylinder or sphere.
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Now what will happen? See. This is our cylinder. We divide this cylinder into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Sphere हमने लिया. There is a hole in the sphere from where we can fill the water. Okay. Now this water when transferred in the cylinder, we also do this activity in school, but I don't have apparatus. We observe that cylinder gets filled till here. So what fraction of the volume of cylinder is getting filled?
2/3.
3
Parts out of
2 by 3.
total parts 3, you will find 2 by 3. So volume of sphere is equal 2 by 3 volume of cylinder. Yes, beta.
Yes,
Volume
ma'am.
of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. 2 by 3. And what is volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
IR square H.
IR square H.
IR.
But बच्चे, when we talk of sphere, जब हम sphere की बात करते हैं, the only variable we have with us is
R.
Do we talk of height of sphere?
No, ma'am.
So this height we will replace. What is this height equal to?
2r diameter.
Height is equal to 2 times r. This height is equal to 2 times r. Now what is 2 into 2?
4
R square into r.
r cube.
So that is how we get volume of sphere. That is how we get volume of sphere. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Swastik. Swastik.